All right, we're going to do a load test on this battery. And the 12-volt battery's been on charge overnight. Got her? Okay, there we go. All right, so on the 12-volt scale, it's still way down at the bottom. Turn on the load switch. Oh, wait, and a drop off. Oops. Let's do it again.
Yep.
Get a good grip. All right, so now we're going to
get 2 good grips. There we go.
Okay, press the load. Dead or no doornail.
Yep.
Okay, so we have no load capabilities. That is what we refer to as a bad battery. Let's go over here to the bike. We've got some serious progress made here. All the wiring up here is done under here. The ignition system is installed and wired all the way down to and including the mag pickup, which is down here with some nice extra, we call this service loop. So that's all done. All the wires go up, and we have a nice package up here with the little black box mounted right underneath of the frame. So everything's nice and tight and lashed down. Coming to the back of the bike, Kevin's been working back here. We've got all these wires that are not used. We're putting them together. This is the main power wire, and I'm over here making a new fuse assembly for the main power wire. So we're real close to doing a spark test on this little guy.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we got the fuse in. I stock these, as does Kevin. Nice spade, 10 amp, no more than 10 amp, not 35 amp, 10 amp. Okay, I've got a ground wire up there. We've got power wire here, held away by that rag. We've got the shop battery down here, and we are ready to turn on the ignition and do what we laughingly refer to as a smoke test. So I'm going to turn on the ignition and see if we blow the fuse. All right?
Ready? Go ahead.
Okay.
Nope, I didn't hear any pops.
Okay, so go ahead and hook that on permanently. There. Now let's try. We got ignition on. Let's see if we have any lights up here. Hark!
Good.
We have lights and
we
park.
Have and we have tail light.
Had a tail light? Okay.
Oh, no rear brake. That'd do it.
Oh yeah.
Let's see if we do have front, right?
I don't know. Do you have this? Try it.
I thought this had a. Yeah, it's got a connection.
Okay, let's see if the front turns on. Oh yeah. Okay, front brake switch works.
Good.
Rear brake switch is down here somewhere and disconnected.
Well, we don't have. I don't have a brake, so there's nothing pulling on it.
Yeah.
The wheel's gone.
We could toggle the switch if I could, but I don't even find it. Okay, so we got lights, we got brake switch, let's check at spark. At this point in time,
Okay.
we should have ignition, and let's see if we have some spark from the sparklers. You ready to do it?
I am ready.
Do it by hand?
Boss? Got it?
Hold on, I'm going to focus down on this as soon as I find it. Okay, go ahead.
Whoa! Guess what? You remember how we talked about putting that back in down here?
Oh, yeah, that's right. We forgot to put in the TDC tool.
Yeah, that's...
We'll be back in a minute.
yeah.
We have to clean up. Okay, picking up where we left off, we've got the top dead center plug in. We're still got the sparklers hanging out. Let's see if we got some spark.
Okay, ready?
Uh-huh. Oh yeah, I saw it.
Yep.
Oh yeah,
Lovely.
Oh.
Woo!
We got spark. We got sparkles. We've got lights. We've got brakes. Cool. Man, you can't beat that with a stick. All right. So
New battery.
you're going to get a new battery, put it in there, and you've got a brand new Wassel
Carburetor.
carbonizer down here. So that'll be fun. So what's the plan? Let it sit till you. What you got the back wheel off for? What tire?
Yeah, new tires. The owner brought me 2 tires.
Okay.
So I'll take that down to Motor Tire today, and we'll get the back wheel on, get it all adjusted. Then I'll have you come back, and we'll switch the bike around.
Oh, goody.
So I can pull the front wheel off.
Okay.
Yeah. So
At this point, are we finished for the day?
we're finished for the day. Yeah,
Okay,
it's
so-
a great day.
This has been a real good day. We did some serious cleanup and all the wiring. Okay, good. Then I'm going to go home because I've got like hours of status report parts lists to generate on the 2 Nortons that I have in my shop.
Which you love.
Which
detailed
actually
stuff.
that detail
Yeah,
stuff.
that's fun. Like you said, you're gonna have fun with that green bike. That's really cool.
That's going to be a real adventure.
Yeah.
All
Now,
right.
are you gonna do anything? You'd said something about you're gonna put any wiring in for lights. I know you're not gonna
I'm going
mount the lights.
No, I'm going to run all the wires to the headlight and tail light
Okay.
and brake switch and all that.
Yep.
So the wires will be there when he installs
Gotcha.
headlight, tail light, brake
Cool.
light, etc. So I am going to build him a loom,
Yeah. Gotcha.
and I am going to get sparkles out of that engine today, one way or the other,
Okay.
or at least turn over. I'll just hook a battery straight to the starter
Okay.
and see if it'll
Oh,
spin.
that's right. It's so you don't need me over there to kick because you've got a starter.
Yeah, but I want to see if that engine will
Right,
will turn
yeah.
over.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
All right, later, man.
All right.
I'm out of here. Bye.
Thank you.